This poem goes out to every jade, sage, sky, sequoia, and tumbleweed in the world. Of course, most of them are probably on the West Coast, so I won't have to scream too loud when I say, know that you are the cosmos' favorite children, if not only because you are so definitely offspring of the stars. You are also the first generation of American kids named after all the things that really do, honestly, matter most. You might like to forget the jokes people made in school about Peace being a girly name or Birch being a manly name for a girl, but the jokes made you stronger, I'm sure you know by now. And the stars really do love you for keeping your head held high despite the juvenile moniker your pot-smoking guardian saddled you with ages ago. No thought as to what actually living with such a name would be like. Take solace in the fact that your own kids will probably have stupider names than you, and so you will in the end have the last laugh. And always remember, children of the age of Aquarius, names could never hurt you.